In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to level up your short-term rentals. If you've already got a place listed on a major platform, this walkthrough will help you turn a basic listing into one guests love and review highly. Start on your hosting platform's homepage and open your listing. Look at it the way a traveler would. Imagine landing on that page for the first time. What stands out right away? The very first thing guests notice is cleanliness. It sets the tone for the entire stay. Make sure your space is spotless, from high-touch areas like light switches and remotes to corners, grout lines, and inside appliances. Consistency matters, so use a checklist for every turnover, take quick verification photos after cleaning, and keep the scent neutral and fresh. Next, your photos should tell the whole story. Guests book with their eyes, so include clear, well-lit images that accurately represent the space, shot in landscape and in natural light whenever possible. Show every key area, the bedrooms, with a crisp bed setup and extra pillows visible, the kitchenette, highlighting essential appliances, cookware, and coffee setup, the dining area with seating for the maximum number of guests, and the bathroom, showcasing sparkling fixtures, good water pressure if possible, and stocked essentials. Add a few wide shots to show flow between rooms so guests can picture moving through the space. Amenities can be a deciding factor. If you offer free parking, that's a real advantage. Call it out in your description and amenities list. Be specific about the location of the space, any size limits, and how to access it, so guests arrive confident and stress-free. Pricing is where you can quietly boost occupancy and revenue. Use smart pricing or dynamic pricing tools to keep your rates competitive and responsive to demand. Set sensible minimum and maximum rates, adjust for seasonality and local events, and review your fees so the total price aligns with the value you deliver. Revisit pricing regularly to avoid leaving money on the table. Finally, build a 5-star guest experience from end to end. Send friendly, timely messages before arrival with clear check-in instructions. Keep a fast response time during the stay. Stock the essentials consistently. Share the Wi-Fi details in multiple spots, and provide a simple digital or printed guidebook with house rules and local tips. Do a quick maintenance check between stays and leave clear, short checkout steps. After departure, thank guests and invite feedback you can act on. Open your listing, make these updates today, and watch your bookings, reviews, and repeat stays steadily improve.